Good morning, grade 5 girls. Welcome to our virtual learning classes. Today it's Monday, 30th March. Okay, so let us start continuing lesson number 1. What are solid, liquid, and gases? So, yesterday we studied about matter and volume and temperature. Matter, volume, temperature. These were the vocabularies what I covered yesterday, and today I will be explaining you about solid, liquid, gas. Just let us quickly revise what we did yesterday. What is matter? Anything which has mass, and volume is matter. What is volume? Volume is the amount of space something takes up. I've given you many examples. So, and then I told you about the properties to remember the odor, texture, their shape, their color, their sound they make. All these they come under properties. That to which properties? Physical properties. Remember, it is physical properties. And I told you to remember one line that you can observe a physical property without changing the matter into a new substance. You don't have to change the matter from solid to liquid or liquid to gas or to make a new substance. You can just tell the physical property of a substance as the substance is in front of you. Okay, now. So here I was explaining about volume. Like if see here, the food in the small bowl has less volume than food in the large bowl because it takes less space. The space matters. You can use many tools to measure volume. If I ask you what is the tool to measure temperature, everyone knows whenever you have fever, your doctor checks your temperature, your body temperature, and with thermometer. Everyone knows about the tools, and even I have shown you in the lab different tools for volume. I have shown you in my first lab class, that is conical flask, your round bottom flask, your measuring cylinder or graduated cylinder. So you have seen different tools what you're using to measure volume, to measure different things. Now girls, so we'll just take a look again. What is temperature? Temperature is also a physical property of matter. It is also a physical property. You can touch and say that it's warm or hot or very hot, or by exactly recording the temperature with a thermometer. So it's an energy of motion of particles. Temperature can be measured by using a thermometer. Mass and volume are also physical properties. Volume is the amount of space something takes up. Many tools can be used to measure volume. Mass is the amount of mass in an object. Mass can be measured by using a balance. When you go to a shop, you see how it balances. Like example, even if you go to supermarkets, Panda, when you're buying vegetables, there's a corner where they use electronic balances. There are many kind of balances, girls, but we are using electronic balance these days, where automatically you can see how many grams or how many kilograms an object weighs, or a vegetable, or anything it weighs. But usually solid substances, they are measured in mass. Okay, so now next I will talk about mass and density. Mass and density. Okay, so what is a mass? A bowling, they give an example, a bowling ball and basketball have about the same volume. When you see this ball and this ball, they look same size. Sometimes you can even find them same color. But when a person is holding